Welcome back to the off-road kennel. Definitely off-road at the moment. Why not paint the house, we said? Why not? So here we are, something a little bit different for you. We build it, we renovate it. And I bet if I say renovators,
No, we're not. We're builders. And my name's not Bob.
Bob the Builder. It's his favourite song. We're going to build millions of them. Mm-hmm. Okay, this is our house though. I can't see us renting it out for a while, but we do want to do that. Freshly painted. But never mind. Come along and watch something a little bit different. He's out there cutting in the ceiling in the lounge room. I'm going to be ass up, heating the cupboard, painting cupboard. Least favourite job. But again, something a little bit different from us, but I'd rather be camping.
What do you want me to say?
I
hate painting.
No, you don't. You're a renovator.
Yeah, I know, but I still hate painting and plastering, sanding plaster.
Cutting in's my worst job. Aren't you glad my dad taught me to paint?
Yeah.
How many cheeky babes will paint? We did the outside of the house last year, changed colours. I've done the driveway.
We did the outside of the house in 40-degree bloody heat.
Yeah, every time I painted the outside of this house. I had this house a few decades. This is where I raised my lovely son before I met Steve. We've extended 12, 13 years ago.
Yeah, that.
It's about the same time we got the camping bug too.
Yeah, it seems like a bit of a waste of money to extend when we're not going to be here.
Good for renting. So you can tell I'm still working on that lap idea. Here's doing my least favourite job. I don't roll ceilings or walls because I'm pretty shit at it.
And I just get a sore neck.
Don't mind me while I go bum up doing skirting boards in the cupboard and try and not hit the carpet. But don't come at me for drop sheets because they're all out in the lounge room with you know who doing the ceilings.
No, and there's a whole pile of me in the middle of the house.
So here goes skirting boards. I'm not a big fan of, oh, no, actually, I do actually like painting. I don't like to prep so much, but I keep telling myself, prep's the key for a good finish. Been painting for a long time. So, don't mind the bum? No, mind you, I'm not going to show that part. Very good. Never the most flattering angle, is it?
Never. Then you got a little tiny spot to get into, so it makes it bloody hard.
Yep. See, we're jacks of all trades. Well, jacks of all trades here, so back to it. Get back, Steve. Just come back up above the blind. Yes, I've got patching on the walls. Okay, watching out. Yep, you're cutting in jobs. Good, sweetheart.
I know.
Bit up yourself?
Yeah, I'm an expert.
So, how long is it taking you to get to this point?
Couple of hours.
A couple of hours.
Yeah.
Double cut in? I don't roll because I'm pretty shitful at rolling. As long as the paint doesn't splatter my floorboards, mind you, it's easy to clean up.
Yeah.
And this is how you roll, literally. We're not talking about rolling cars and caravans this time.
No. This is the worst one, though, because it kills your neck.
I don't do it. Yeehaw! Linen cupboard's done, covered in paint, as per usual, because I'm a superstar at doing this. Steve's doing the ceiling, which I'll show you again in a minute. I know, I'm not very elegant today, but hey. Linen cupboard, all done. Paint.
2 hours later.
Go for it, babe. He's such a good roller.
Anyway, they want to give you a hand? Feel free.
Facebook or YouTube land? Come on, we've helped paint some of my friends' houses. For nothing. Could be a neck massage tonight. Keep it clean, you lot. Keep it clean.
Bit more than a neck massage.
Keep it clean.
I ain't killing drugs, thank you.
Oh, okay. Oh, geez, you can't say drugs. Dead down light. We have new ones. Ceiling's all painted. Main house walls are done. Thank you, Steve. You're so quick. Linen cupboard finished. Yeehaw. I married a handyman. Builder.
Right, last picture to go up. If I can see where the thing is. And out here is all done. So if you have any sympathy for my pain, please like and subscribe to our page. It will make me feel much better.
Stay tuned for the rest of the house to be done.